Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about money, and the topics in this chapter are Rupee and Pairs, money in words, money in figures, addition and subtraction of money, and word problems. So let's start with rupees and pairs. Now we know how to write 20 rupees. We also know how to write 50 pairs. But how do we write 20 rupees and 50 pairs together? We use a point to separate rupee and pairs. Have a look. This is how we write 20 rupees and 50 pairs. On the left, we write rupees, and on the right, we write the pairs. And a point separates the rupee and the pairs. Money in words. So let us learn how to write money in words. We have 17.50 rupees. We write them in words as 17 rupees and 50 pairs. Money in figures. So let us learn how to write money in figures. So 36 rupees and 75 pairs will be written as 36.75 rupees. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. I'll help you with the first question. So how do we write 5 rupees and 35 pairs? We write it as 5.35 rupees. We now have to write the following in words. So rupees 15.75 will be written as 15 rupees and 75 pairs. Let us have a look at the addition of rupees and pairs. So if we have to add 25 rupees, 20 pairs and 48 rupees and 30 pairs, we first add the numbers in the pairs column and then add the numbers in the rupee column. The final answer is 73 rupees and 50 pairs. Now let us have a look at the subtraction of rupees and pairs. When we subtract 18 rupees and 50 pairs from 40 rupees and 60 pairs, we have to first subtract the number in the pairs column and then subtract the number in the rupees column. Since we cannot subtract from 0, we borrow from 4. The final answer is 22 rupees and 10 pairs. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. I'll help you with the first question. We now have to add the money. Let's have a look. So we have to add 8 rupees and 50 pairs with 7 rupees and 50 pairs. So we first add the pairs column, which gives us 100. So 1 carries over, which gives us 8 plus 7 plus 1, which is 16. So the final amount is 16 rupees. We now have to subtract the given amount. Have a look. So we have to subtract 50 rupees and 30 pairs from 70 rupees and 50 pairs. We first subtract from the pairs column and get the answer as 20 pairs. And from the rupees column, we get the answer as 20 rupees. So the final answer is 20 rupees and 20 pairs. Now let's solve some word problems. Deepa bought a doll which costed 45 rupees and 50 pairs. She also bought a bangle set which costed 34 rupees. So how much does she have to pay to the shopkeeper? It is simple. We simply have to add the two amounts. So 45 rupees and 50 pairs plus 34 rupees, which gives the final answer as 79 rupees and 50 pairs. So Deepa has to pay 79 rupees and 50 pairs to the shopkeeper. Let us have a look at another example. Rehan had 85 rupees with him and he bought a football worth rupees 55 rupees. How much money does he have left? It is simple. We have to subtract 55 rupees from 85 rupees. So when we subtract 55 rupees from 85 rupees, we get the answer as 30 rupees. So Rehan is left with 30 rupees. Now I hope you understood how to solve word problems. Test it out with an exercise. I'll help you with the first word problem. So Suhas bought 10 balloons for 10 rupees and 50 paise. He also bought a pencil for 5 rupees and 25 paise. How much does he have to pay in total? It is simple. We just have to add 10 rupees and 50 paise with 5 rupees and 25 paise. So on addition of 10 rupees and 50 paise and 5 rupees and 25 paise, we first add the paise column. The answer is 75 paise. And 10 plus 5 gives us 15 rupees. So the final answer is 15 rupees and 75 paise. So Suhas has to pay a total amount of 15 rupees and 75 paise. So here is a summary of today's lesson. Today we learnt rupee and pairs, money in words, money in figures, addition and subtraction of money, and word problems.